pambansang kasuot, Giovanni Cancel. Mula sa lalawigan ng Tarlac, Kainay Cortez. Si Kainay ay 22 taong gulang at may taas ng 5 feet 8 at kasalukuyang nag-aaral sa CIT Colleges of Paniki Foundation. Mula sa lalawigan ng Tarlac, Kainay Cortez. Mula sa lalawigan ng Tarlac, Kainay Cortez. Nagdisenyo ng termo, Giovanni Cancel.
Magandang gabi, Mr. Lam. Maaari ka nang pumili ng iyong murado. Ngayong nabili ay si Binibini Fel Banay-Banay.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Lack. Good evening. So, the category of my question is role models and Filipino values, o mga huwaran at pagpapahalagang Pilipino. So, in English, my question goes, who do you consider as a modern-day role model embodying Filipino values and why? So, in Tagalog, sino sa tingin mo ang isang modernong panahong huwaran na nagpapakilala ng mga pagpapahalagang Pilipino at bakit?
Good evening. In modern world, my role model is Miss Catriona Gray because I see her as a woman of courage, knowledge, and a woman who has substance in life. She uses her platform for good. She possesses a strong work ethic. She strives to give her best to empower, and I believe that she is trustworthy and people speak well of her. And I believe that that is the true beauty queen and a role model should be. Thank you.